Hooked up on one. State your name, gangster.
You know what I mean? I'm gonna put him over here. We're talking. I think he's a small one. Yeah, he's definitely a small one.
Don't pull too much. Let that joint fight.
Right here.
First caddy of the day. First caddy of the day. Huh? Pull him over to this way.
He's coming right here. He's swimming right towards me.
I know, I see him.
Oh shit! Oh, he fighting, bro? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! He ain't put that big until he got right here. Oh shit! Oh.
Told you they put up a fight.
Hey, that was one-on-one. Man.
Oh, I seen him. Yeah, he's a small one. I'm trying to bring him over this way. I'm about to reel my rod in real quick. I said you can pull him up. Say you can lift him up. Hold up. Got him.
Yeah.
There you go, Juju.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get the measuring tape out. Huh, you want to finish recording?
Yeah.
Whew.
He's a small one too.
Alright, let's measure this little guy. See how big he is.
Shit. 19, I think.
18. He's 18.
Not bad.
What's up, man? Little catfish. Yeah, little catty. And I record while you take him off, and then you can unhook him.
Stay still. I ain't never unhooked these ones. Nice. Get it out. Get this shit to the left. You got it.
Got him, mother?
Yeah.
Alright, hold him up for the cam.
Oh shit, you still good?
Nice little guy.
Oh shit.
That wasn't a good release.
Like you scratched me a little.
Oh, he got you? Okay, okay.